Here's your latest update about the Karrueche Tran versus Chris Light Brown debacle situation. You know, she tried to have somebody serve him, you know, his paperwork. She wants to get a restraining order against Chris Light Brown because he allegedly, what was it, punched her in the stomach, pushed her down a flight of stairs, and threatened her life. I hope I remembered everything correctly. Anyway, if my memory serves me correctly, that's exactly what happened. Well, exactly what she's alleging, the beautiful Karrueche Tran, who I happen to be a big fan of. So, TMZ posted the following article on May 23rd of 2017 titled, Chris Brown will be a no-show at Karrueche restraining order hearing. Here's what they wrote. Chris Brown's lawyers will have a steep mountain to climb Tuesday when they essentially tell a judge, who you gonna believe, us or your lying eyes? We're told Chris will not appear in the hearing where Karrueche is gunning for a permanent restraining order against Brown, whom she claims has threatened to shoot and kill her, in addition to brutalizing her on several occasions. Karrueche got a temporary restraining order. Why did they just say that? Anyways, which is about to expire. And she was required to serve Chris with the petition for a permanent order, something he dodged until a process server handed him the papers earlier this month as he was leaving his birthday party in Houston. Big problem for Chris. The service is on video, and the judge will see it in the courtroom. We are also told Karrueche will not appear in person. She'll testify on the phone because she's shooting a TV show in New Orleans. Now, here's this other article about it. This is the update, which was posted May 23rd of 2017, which is Tuesday. This is after she tried to, you know, speak with the judge via phone or whatever. TMZ posted the article titled Karrueche Tran snoozes and loses against Chris Brown for now. Here's what they wrote. Karrueche Tran didn't get what she was gunning for in court Tuesday because the judge expected flesh and blood to testify against Chris Brown, not a voice over the phone. Pause the story out. My theory is that the reason why the judge didn't want to hear her talking over the phone is because the judge knew that she was fine and he wanted to see her in person, or she wanted to see her in person, because Karrueche Tran is fine as hell, and everybody just likes to look at Karrueche Tran. That's just my theory. But anyways, back to the article. TMZ broke the story. Karrueche planned to get on the horn with the judge rather than appear in person because she's shooting a TV show in New Orleans. She was expected to take the judge through what she claims are a series of death threats and violent encounters at the hands of Chris. The judge wasn't having it, saying in order to get a permanent restraining order against Brown, she had to either appear in person or give 12 days notice before the hearing that she would appear via phone. The case was continued so Karrueche could file the proper paperwork. As for Chris, he was also a no-show. His lawyers claim he was never served with legal docs despite video which seems to show otherwise. Yeah, look out for my other video where I show y'all the fact that Chris Light Brown's dumbass was arguing with Karrueche Tran's manager, Jacob York. And this dumbass, Chris Brown, acknowledged the fact that they're trying to serve him or have served him, whatever really happened. You know, the fact that he's engaging in conversations with Karrueche's manager, with Karrueche's manager, Mr. Jacob York. Shout out to Jacob York. This is the thing, man. Like, Karrueche, I'm hoping, wishing, and praying that the beautiful Karrueche gets this goddamn permanent restraining order. Chris Light Brown is a crazy mofo. That dude is not in his right mind, in my personal opinion, for legal reasons. It sounds like his lawyer, in my personal opinion, is not doing what he should be doing. It just sounds very scummy that the lawyer won't just say, hey, fuck it, because, you know, look, I'll accept the papers on his behalf and just let it be done, because it's gonna happen either way. So it's like, why prolong it? You know, are they just trying to make things as hard as they can for Karrueche? We all saw what he did to Rihanna. So it's like, if you can't put one and two together that this dude is bad news, I don't know. He hangs out with terrorists. They're called the Bloods. Those thugs, those street thug, trash Santa Clauses with the corny little red bandanas. You know, but anyways, he's a fucking trouble magnet. Remember, he kept going to concerts or doing different things. Wherever he would go, it would get shot up. or a fight would break out. Remember, for a long time, that's what was going on. And the police came to his house and he allegedly threw a bag out the window. And they said, like, the dude is a fucking, he's an asshole. He's just a magnet for violence and fucking just negativity. But anyway, this is all my opinion. What do I know? I'm just a Karrueche Tran fan with a microphone. I'm super biased about this situation because I am Team Pretty Girl. I love me some Karrueche Tran. That's my baby boo-wop. And I don't want anybody messing with her. Man, I'm tired of this shit, man. I gotta go, my Jesus, because I'm about to flip the fuck out. I'm about to get real pissed off. You know, I wish they forget the fight with Soulja Boy. Put me in the ring with Chris Light Brown. Let me knock his little ass out. But anyways, this is all my opinion. What do I know? Let me know what you think about it all below. Be sure to subscribe to the Meat Magazine YouTube channels. Visit meatmagazine.blogspot.com for more. Follow me on Twitter at Meat Magazine, Meat Magazine 7 on Google+, Meat Magazine blog and Instagram. Be sure to hit that notification button. It's right next to the subscribe button. It looks like a bell. Once you click that button, you'll be sent alerts to be notified when new videos get posted. Jesus? Whose side are you on? The beautiful Karrueche with her 2-time Emmy award winning self, or Chris Light Brown with his bitch ass? Let me know below. Meat Magazine.